Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for UnitedHealthcare, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the UnitedHealthcare website. Look for the register or sign up button. Click on it to start the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with registration options. Select Create an account if you are a new user. Fill in your personal information as requested. This may include your name, date of birth, and email address. Provide your UnitedHealthcare member ID if you have one. If you don't have a member ID, follow the prompts for new users. Create a secure password that meets the listed requirements. Retype your password to confirm it. Next, answer any security questions for account recovery. Make sure to provide accurate answers to these questions. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to accept. Click on the Submit or Continue button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after registration. Open the email and click the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the UnitedHealthcare website. Log in using your new credentials. Explore your account dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available features and options. Complete your profile as needed to enhance your experience. You are now successfully registered with UnitedHealthcare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.